Hello guys, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see concept of interpolation in Angular. Right now in front of the screen you can see employee details is visible in the browser. How it is done using Angular interpolation. Here I have created one project Angular concept. So right now we are going to see about the employee component. Okay, in this employee component you can see the HTML part and this is the TypeScript part. Okay, so here I have created one property employee. This property is having one object with key and values. So how can we access this employee uh, keys in HTML file using the concept called interpolation? Okay, how can we access this? Right now you can see here I'm given the employee property with the keys right inside the double curly braces. Using the double curly braces we can access the property from the TypeScript file. Right now here you can see the property employee is accessible from the TypeScript file. So we need to access the keys, right? So we can access any of these by using dot. You can access the from the object. Right now I'm giving name. Okay, give the file, go to the browser. You can see the name, age, designation, salary. So what we can understand from this is we can access the properties from the TypeScript file using the concept called interpolation. Okay, uh, yeah, if you have any doubt please do comment and like my video and share it with your friends. Okay, thank you.